How to choose your freeze dryer. When purchasing a freeze dryer, you may wonder which freeze dryer is the right one for your use. There are many kinds of freeze dryers in terms of capacity and purpose. They also come in different production scales, such as lab scale, pilot scale, and mass production scale. A freeze dryer with a drying capacity of 10 liters is able to condense 10 liters of water per batch. Therefore, if your sample contains 50% moisture content, you can dry up to 20 liters of sample with a 10-liter capacity freeze dryer. When you dry samples with volatile organic compounds, it is recommended to use anti-corrosive vacuum pump. Tabletop freeze dryer is appropriate for molecular biology and microbial research with less than 1 liter of drying capacity. Lab scale freeze dryer is for drying 1 to 18 liters. Pilot scale dries between 10 and 30 liters and it is suitable for pilot tests before entering a mass production stage. Industrial mass production scale is designed for 50 to 500 liters of drying capacity. After choosing the right drying capacity, you need to choose a proper drying chamber. There are 5 kinds of drying chambers for tabletop and lab scale freeze dryers: multi-drying chamber, vertical drying chamber, clear drying chamber, heated drying chamber, and manifold chamber. Choosing a chamber depends on the desired kind of containers for the content being freeze-dried: ampules, complete flasks, vials, serum bottles, trays, or petri dishes. If you want various kinds of containers in the same batch, multi-drying chamber is highly recommended. For pilot and industrial scale freeze dryers, trays and vials are often used for food or pharmaceutical applications. Lab scale freeze dryers have an option of shelf freezer or concentrator depending on customer's need. For tabletop or lab scale freeze dryers, it is necessary to pre-freeze a sample at -40 degrees Celsius before loading. For pilot and industrial scale freeze dryers, manual pre-freezing is unnecessary as they have a built-in pre-freezing function. In addition, stoppering option is available for complete sealing of vials after drying process to prevent contamination. CIP and SIP, which stands for cleaning in place and sterilization in place, respectively, is optional for pilot scale and mass production scale freeze dryers. So now, you can choose the right freeze dryer for your need.